The PIPL, China's Personal Information Protection Law, is probably one of the hottest topics of late. But what is it actually all about, and how is it going to affect your business in China? I asked Zach Lichtblau, director at Equasia and partner at Bonnard Lawson Law Firm, and Lawrence Fetterman, CEO at Asia Advisors, to answer these questions.
What's important to know is that the Personal Information Privacy Law, when enacted, it'll be the first comprehensive law in China on personal privacy protection. And this is really important because for a long time, there was no privacy protection for individuals in China. So this is a significant moment in China's history.
It's a trend that goes alongside a lot of other legislations in different parts of the world that have been passed in recent years. As it stands today, is an indication that things are going to change when it comes to privacy in China, and in terms of what companies need to think about when they're thinking about privacy in China.
Anybody, any company or individual dealing with personal privacy is going to be impacted. So it's very important for companies and individuals to pay attention to this.
We're living in a data world, and data is becoming more and more important. So protection of privacy is something that we all need to care about. As business people, we should care about privacy because there are a lot of compliance requirements that come with this type of legislation. And failure to comply could lead to very hefty fines.
In China, there are risks. As Zach was saying, there are risks, but we don't believe that fear is a strategy. We believe that because China is the second biggest economy on earth, there are tremendous opportunities as well.
If you're running a company that collects data of Chinese individuals, and it doesn't matter if that data is data of your employees or data of your salespeople or your customers. I think the focus a lot of times is on customers, but any type of data. And by the way, the data doesn't need to be only digital data. It could be paper data. It could be data that originally is digital and then is printed. So it's not just digital data. Any personal information that you have, you need to take a deep breath and start evaluating your situation.
It's important for companies to mandate that privacy policies become part of your overall policy program. So if your company has policies on personal conduct at your organization or other policies about how you do your business, privacy needs to be part of that overall program and integrated into your program. Other areas, that we need are important are making sure that there are clear roles and rules and regulations within your company, clear reporting lines, and accountability. Who in your company is accountable for privacy protection? So I think you need to map this all out. We advise companies preparing for PIPL compliance to set up digital policies. And digital policies are a framework for how you operate in a digital world.
Even if we didn't have the law in place, it's important to take a step back and think about privacy in your organization. These legislations help you, kind of force you to sit down and do the work of, in a way, making your organization better for your customers, better for your employees, and just better for the running of the business, because data is an essential part of your business these days.